Like, it's just...
Welcome, lovers, to my channel. Thank you so much for tuning in. I'm eating a banana from the property, and we are in the midst of hurricane season still. It is a late hurricane season, but it is hurricane season nonetheless, so we're preparing for yet another hurricane. But yeah, I just wanted to tune in, give you guys another video so you can see what's going on at the homestead. Let's go. So it's been about 2 days, and I haven't really seen any growth on this zucchini. If I don't see any growth tomorrow, I'm gonna cut it. This video is for reference. Okay, so it's Saturday. I filmed this 2 days ago. It has not grown at all, so we're about to cut this off. Love and light. Thank you for the harvest. I'm gonna just cut these off too, because I can see these aren't doing anything. And it's already started to yellow, so I think that means it's ripening up. Look at this one. Looking super weird. You gotta go too, fella. Alright, well, my first zucchini. I guess I'll just cook this up like regular. That was the flower. That little black weird thing. This was the flower. Pop that off. Zucchini. I'm also going to go ahead and harvest these eggplants. They're looking pretty good, but I feel like the lesson that I'm learning is that the first fruit is always small fruit. Oof, you see what I almost did there? Just like the first pancake isn't the best pancake, I feel like the first ones aren't the best. Because look, it already has the striations in it that it's supposed to have when it's full size. So I think this is about as large as it was gonna get. I don't know if you guys seen my previous video during the summertime when I harvested bottle gourd. This bottle gourd that I harvested was also very small, and I waited for a long time to see if anything would happen, and nothing. Oop, I feel like I'm cutting something I'm not supposed to. There we go. This one I probably could have waited a little longer, but it's okay. It's not gonna taste bad. But yeah, I waited a long time for the bottle gourd, and it never got to a large sizing, so I'm just very happy with this regardless. And look at that. A beautiful sunrise. It's so nice being in the garden. What you about to do with that, sir? He threw it on the floor? Sure did. He like, I hope I don't take her face. They said they should get out the truck. Yeah, right. Get out the fucking truck. Oh my god. Look at how much mulch we got from Chip Drop. I really wish you guys had smell-o-vision because this mulch smells beautiful. It's so loomy. Look at that. Oh my god. So healthy, so nutrient dense. My garden is about to love this. Alright, stay tuned. My favorite flower. Not my favorite fruit, but it's still delicious. Thank you guys so much for watching this week. It means the world to us having you tune into our videos week after week. If you enjoy what we're doing, make sure you hit that subscribe button. Make sure you like this video if you found it helpful. And I can't wait to see you guys next week with more content. Thank you. Later, lovers.